Hello everyone, welcome to Study Support Hub. If you are struggling with your SIMnet Access 2021 Project 3 to 5, don't worry. In this video, we are going to solve step by step. So if you're stuck anywhere, you can contact me. So let's start it. So we are here on SIMnet assignments. Click on the start file and our file is downloaded. So we will just open the file. Okay, so we downloaded the file here and we have the instructions here. So in this project we are going to learn important concepts like query design, parametric queries, and cross-type queries. So make sure you watch till end to understand everything properly. So let's just start it. We have already downloaded the file, so it has been renamed automatically and we have enabled the contact. So in our fourth instruction, we have to create a new summary query in design view. The query counts the number of tickets issued by city and a violation. So add the tickets table into the query design window. So we will click on the ticket, click on the create and make it in the query design table. So we have to add the ticket table. So we will click on the ticket table and we have added the ticket table here. So increase the size of the table object to display all of the fields. So simply we have to size to fit. So add the following fields into the query: city, primary factors, and ticket number. So we will go here in field option, you can see here. So click on the field drop down and click on the city and go to the next field, and we have to primary factor, and in third we have the ticket number, I guess. So yes, we have the ticket number, so click on the ticket number. So a total row to the query and click on the total, and you can see the total row here. So our next instruction is group by the city and primary factor field and count the ticket number field. So we have here the city field group and primary factor group by, but we have to change the ticket number into the count. So save the query as ticket count by city and factor. So we will simply save the query with the name of ticket count by city and factor and click on OK. You can see that our query is saved here in queries box. So next we have to run the query. The datasheet should display 22 records. So let's just run the query. Click on the run option and you can see that we have the 22 row here. You can see correct. So adjust the field column width using AutoFit or Best Fit. The datasheet should be similar to the figure we have. So we will simply AutoFit our column. Okay, so we have the save the changes to the query and save a copy of the query as the ticket count by factor. So we will save the changes and we will save our copy. So click on the save object as and click on save as. We will change the name here, ticket count by factor, and click on OK. Okay, so you can see that here is the copy of the query generated. So okay, so we have to delete the city query here. So simply click on the header of the field and you can select the city option and just simply click on the delete button, and you can see that our city option has been deleted. So we have completed all the instruction here, and if you need the full solution, please contact me. My contact is mentioned in the description box. Stay connected for the next one. 100% score here in our first attempt.